Are you struggling to create a resume that gets you noticed? In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to write a winning resume that makes a recruiter stop and take notice. Trust me, by the end of this video, we will know exactly how to create a resume that lands interviews fast. Hey everyone, you're watching The True HR and I am Subrat Kumar. Ready to level up your job and career? We are delivering cutting edge insights and actionable strategies. Subscribe now and transform your career. Don't miss out. Right? You can click on description below to know more and visit our website for job openings and career development tools. Okay, now come to our topic. Write a winning resume. Right? So as I told you, we will go step by step. So this is step number 1. First thing first, start with a clean and professional header. It's very important. Then include your full name, phone number, email and LinkedIn profile if available. But let me tell you, LinkedIn profile is also necessary nowadays. So better if you don't have, then make it one and provide it in header. Always remember one thing, keep it simple and easy to read. Make sure your email looks professional. No coolguy123@gmail.com or something like that. So all these types, no fancy names, right? Just avoid that. Keep it simple and use your real name on your email ID and use it on your profile. Got it? If you need any professional help regarding this, you can contact us on our website, thetruehr.com. Now, step number 2, write a powerful summary. Your summary is like your elevator pitch in 2 or 3 sentences. Tell them who you are, what you are good at, and what value you bring. I'm giving an example. Results-driven HR professional with 11 years of experience in recruitment and employee engagement. Skilled in improving hiring efficiency and boosting employee satisfaction. This is mine, okay? You give yours and I'm giving just an example so that you will come to know about it, right? Now, step number 3, highlight your work experience using action words. Now, let's talk about work experience. Start with your most recent job and work backward. Use bullet points and start each one with an action verbs like led, like managed or designed, something like that. Focus on achievements, not just duties. Got it? Strong work experience. Example, instead of saying responsible for employee training, say led employee training sessions, increasing productivity by 20%. See the difference, right? Isn't it? Do that. Now, step number 4. Showcase your skills. List your skills. Include both hard skills like Excel and data analysis and soft skills like communication and problem solving. Match the skills to the job descriptions. It's very important. Always remember this. I will give an example. Well, proficient in Microsoft Excel, data visualization and conflict resolutions. Something like this, right? Now, step number 5. Keep it clean and professional. Finally, keep your resume to 1 or 2 pages. Use a simple font like Arial, all Calibri, size like 11 or 12, something like that. Avoid fancy colors or graphics, okay? Just avoid that. Recruiters care about content, not design. Always remember this thing. Okay, that's it. Follow the steps and we will have a resume that stands out. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment below with your questions. You can click on description below to know more and visit our website for job openings and career development tools. Don't forget, thetruehr.com is your answers of all career related questions for you and will help you to get a good job as well as personality development and lot of things regarding career will get on our website. Just visit our website the true HR. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye and click here to know more videos on career development. Take care, boss.